Hi, Harshit here, and I'm here with a new review video of the product called Latitude. Now you are probably thinking, what is Latitude? So, what is the Latitude all about? Crypto is the hottest topic of the year, but making money from it is risky and hard. Latitude opens people up to the digital goldmine of NFTs, where they can make risk free cash with zero experience or skill at all. The USP is what sets Latitude apart. Marketed being easy enough for a 12-year-old, Latitude was developed by a 12-year-old child, backed by a stake of proof and a multi-thousand dollars case study. Meet William. This is the guy who made the software Latitude. At just 12-year-old, he has shown easier way to make money that can work for absolutely anyone. Imagine a method for thousands dollars in weekly profits that requires zero online marketing skills or experience, other than crypto and risk free. 100% free software, easier than copy and paste, zero upfront cost or monthly fee, more profitable than affiliate marketing, unlimited profit potential, no list or social following needed, 15 minutes or less than per day. Here's what you're getting with Latitude. Over the over the shoulder. Look mom, it really is this easy. Video training. Free traffic from over 33 million motivated buyers. DFI software to automate and scale 5-figure case studies from scratch to $1,000 in real time. These all things you are getting. What you have to do, go into the description of the video and click the link below. You get to keep these custom bonuses as well when you grab the Latitude now. First bonus is how to get free YouTube traffic. Second is Vinquish, get epic access to Vinquish, the evolution of automated commissions. 0 to $100 in 24 hours. Diogo breakdown. You will get these 4 when you will grab the product, which link is in the description. Go and check it out. So here is how Latitude works in just 3 steps. Step 1, access the Latitude blueprint. Step 2, activate the software and free traffic. Step 3, sit back and watch the buyer find you. These are the prices of the product. Latitude shows user how to profit from NFTs from A to Z, zero skills or experience needed. Includes free softwares and free authority traffic from hundreds to millions of buyers. This is the exact system a 12-year-old is cashing in thousands weekly within. It smashes every barrier and with it plus product burn, private VIP group access, which is about $7. Private access to our VIP group where you will get exclusive support and guidance from William, the creator of Latitude, with upgrade to Latitude Pro, which is of $47, but you will get $10 discount. Latitude Pro is the hands-free way to cash in with unique system. We show user how to effortlessly flip other people's NFT for windfall profit without creating a single thing themselves. So with Latitude Pro, you can get to know how to get thousands without creating a single thing yourself. With upgrade to Latitude Deluxe, price $67, but you will get $20 discount. Advanced leveraging digital art collections to 10x their income. Users will discover how to create a symbol collections, outsource the heavily lifting, and generate life-changing profits. The upgrade tree Latitude Elite Insiders Club, which costs $97, but you will get $30 discount. Direct access to our Inspires Only Club, where the richer NFT players share up to the minute shortcuts and strategies. Customers will also be added to our private list and be given easily inside info in the footer upcoming NFT to profit from. With upgrade for Latitude Ultimate Jacket, which cost $197, but you will get $100 discount. The ultimate traffic solution for your customers that want to scale fast. Users get directly access to our huge and wide audience by having their pixels placed on all sales per page for 365 days. This is a hand-free way for them to grow a massive traffic source or targeted prospect. And upgrade 5 Limitless Extra Resellers Rights Bundle, which costs $67, but you will get $20 discount. Top 4 converting offers to sell up as their own and keep 100% from every product in every funnel. Past customers love our resellers bundle. They are getting an entire library to digital products to profit from forever, and we handle all support. This bundle includes full resellers right to Latitude, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, Pix. And this is the sales page of the Latitude. You can come in your own time and search. Okay. In fact, and here you can get 30 days in conditional 100% money back guarantee. But I know that all of you will like the product. You will get the product link in the description below. So go and check the product. Now I don't think so that anything is stopping you from getting the Latitude. About everything, now you will say that I have told you about everything, but not told the date and time when it is going to be live. So it is going to be live on 31st August 2021, 8 a.m. US Central Time. So go and grab the product. Wait, before you go to the description and click in the link to buy the product, I almost forgot to tell you one thing. When you will click in the link, maybe it will show coming soon, but you don't worry. Its timing to go live is 31st August 2021 at 8 a.m. US Central Time. If you go and click to the link and you can't find anything, it's only saying coming soon. Don't worry. After that time, it will be start showing the things inside the page. Okay, bye.